All right, guys, you were in for a treat today with this special episode of Cooking with Melanie. Melanie's been making this amazing, delicious low-carb chocolate pudding a few times now. Well, today we turned on the camera to share with you what she's up to.
I really like this chocolate pudding. I think it turns out really well, especially considering it's made with an avocado, something you would never think of. The main thing with the avocado is that it has to have black skin and be kind of mushy, so sometimes those are the cheapest ones to pick up at the grocery store anyways.
Reminds me of my mother's banana bread that she used to make. Had to use the bananas sit on the fridge till they were on top of the fridge till they were like black and mushy.
Yeah.
To make the crisp banana bread.
Yeah. Yeah. The other thing with this recipe is that I show that I make it with monk fruit sweetener, but you can use any sweetener, really. And the amount just depends on how sweet you want it. And the same goes with the milk. You can use any milk you want. I use heavy cream. I have tried it with powdered goat milk, but I think the heavy cream does have a little bit better texture to it all. So.
All right, it was amazing. So rich and flavorful, and just the texture and body to this is the best chocolate pudding I've ever eaten, bar none. Even if you don't care about the carbohydrates like me, if you don't care about the carbohydrates, you still owe it to yourself to try out this incredible pudding. Melanie made it totally off-grid. Got a link in the description. You want to check out the Bluetti she used, the power station to run the blender. We're off-grid. That's a cool little 35-watt blender, but it does need AC power. Ran it off the Bluetti perfectly. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel so you can get more stuff from our travel adventures and, of course, like Cooking with Melanie episodes, which might be the highlight of the channel anyways. At least they are to me, because I get to benefit from these projects. Good stuff. All right, thanks for joining us. Everybody will catch you in the next one.